In our home, when you say Dal Bhat, so literally it means a lentil and rice only. But the Dal Bhat, the term we use here is for the whole dish. It's a set of many different things in it, in a plate. And we have the curry, the seasonal vegetable curry in it. We have a lentil, either black lentil, yellow lentil, or some other seeds lentil. And we have a pickle. You can make pickle from fermented vegetable, and you can make pickle from potato, you can make pickle from chickpeas or peas or radish, cucumbers, you can make pickle of anything. Or pickle, you can have a ready-made pickle. And you have to have rice. So there is a rice, lentil, seasonal vegetable curry and pickle. It should be there, at least 4 dishes. So when we have guests at our home, then we make more varieties of things around the Dal Bhat plate. Like you need greenish spinach, you need some salads, you need papadum, you can have potatoes, so many things.
So they say in Nepal that the Dal Bhat is the national dish, and Nepali people eat Dal Bhat 2 times a day. So I'm here with Asok of Gaia Holiday Homes, and he's gonna show me how to make Dal Bhat. Got my apron on. Let's see what it's all about. So what are we gonna do?
So we'll start from, here is some onion, tomatoes, and there's fish curry.
So you put the oil in there.
Yeah, in the medium heat. Some fenugreek seed. And just fry golden brown.
Golden brown. Okay. Not yet.
Not yet, yeah.
Still gotta go more.
Vegetables. Turmeric.
Oh, one jumped the boat.
Black salty.
Yes,
Yes.
definitely.
Cumin powder.
Okay.
Water. Gravy. Ginger garlic paste.
Ginger garlic paste.
It's too good. Just some
Oh, we don't need to mix that in?
we don't need to mix. Fenugreek potato.
Fenugreek potatoes?
Yeah. Always is a big meal. This is curry.
Oh, it is?
Rice, grains, potatoes.
Oh.
There are times I don't profess to know much about food when I first enter a country. That's why I'm here to learn.
Dal Bhat. How many dishes are in Dal Bhat?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Oh my goodness. We're learning how to make 7 dishes. We're learning how to make 7 dishes. 7 dishes. Wow.
Red chilies. Some cumin powder. Some coriander.
Asok is like a maestro, mixing, stirring, frying a bunch of dishes at the same time. He's orchestrating a symphony of flavors.
So both of these dishes are already done. That's how quick it was.
Yeah.
That's fast.
Onion, greens. Take that.
2 down, 5 more.
Cumin seed. Some cumin seed.
What kind of greens are those? Like mustard, cabbage?
Mustard greens.
Okay. Wow, that's a lot of greens.
For taste.
Oh, butter.
Lentils.
Okay. Oh, those are mixed lentils.
1 cup lentil.
So it's kind of like cooking rice, I guess. You just wash it first.
Here is 1 cup lentil and 2 cup water and salt to taste always.
Tamarind powder.
Just little cumin powder like that. Pinch of cooking oil.
Okay. This is only ginger garlic.
Yeah.
Ginger garlic powder.
paste, yeah.
Okay.
The garlic and water. Also add ginger and some garlic.
Okay.
It's got good for flavor. It's going to be processed.
Oh, and that's it?
That is lentil, so it takes the time 25 minutes.
That was quick. Like, and then so you just, I guess, boil it for 45 minutes.
Yeah.
And then it turns out to be like this. Wow.
Coriander.
So that's coriander.
Yeah.
What's that?
That is onion gravy.
That's onion gravy?
Yeah.
Now we're going back to the vegetable curry. I'm surprised how quickly this full Nepali set dish is made. The kitchen is swirling from aromas of seasonings and spices, all being swirled into Asok's magical pot. I can't wait to try this.
This is Nepali house.
So that's cardamom?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. It's like a pinch of cardamom.
That's almost done. Take the plate for this. We go for plating.
Oh, plating.
Salad itu. Salad lewa. Onion पनि सबै ल्याऊ है. Onion. And this is radish and 1 carrot. And 1 onion. Slice of lemon. Green chilies.
Oh,
And this is papadum.
dum.
Homemade pickle. Made carrot, radish, cucumber. Some greens. Fenugreek potatoes. Tomato pickle.
Oh, that's the dal, right?
Dal. Curry, little coriander, parsley, little bit. This is a Nepali soup is ready.
And that is in Nepali dal.
Nepal Dal Bhat.
Wow.
You want to taste Dal Bhat?
Definitely. That looks so delicious. When you're cooking it, everything smells so good.
Please.
I need help knowing how to eat this because
Okay.
there's just so many different ingredients.
Yeah. So usually you just little curry and rice
Uh-huh.
mixed together.
Okay, let's try that. That's really delicious. Yeah, I can taste the curry and the fennel together, and immediately it just hits my taste buds.
Curry and some lentil and some
I like this too because you can taste a little bit more of the dal. You can taste the dal bhat and the curry and the greens. Well, not so much the greens. It's kind of like a symphony of flavors that are sort of curry-like. Wow, and the rice is good. What kind of rice is that?
it's the basmati rice.
Basmati rice. No wonder. Okay. Where's the pickle?
This pickle is here. This is little spicy, so you like spicy or?
Yeah, I can do spicy.
So that also mixed here together. Right.
So that's just the pickle and the...
lentil, curry, and greenery. And this.
Ooh, I like this.
Oh, you like this?
With the pickle.
Yeah,
It does like magic to my mouth. Yeah, it's got a little spicy, right? But it's got like a slightly sour taste. Thank you for showing me all of this, Asok. And preparing all this too. This is a really awesome meal.
Yeah. You mix it now and then use your 4 fingers like this and take the thumb to pull it in.
Okay.
I'll just do like this. Hold this fully with the 5 finger. And then you can use the thumb to push it in your mouth.
Okay, wait. But look at Shoya.
Yeah.
He's got the utensil.
In cities, now people are lazy to go to the wash basins to wash hands. So they use these spoons. But the hand is better. And it's more tasty with the hands. It is tasty. When I use a spoon, I eat less. When I use hands, I eat more.
A little too much.
Not easy. You need a practice sometimes. We're used to it. It's a God-gifted spoon. And we have to use the right hand, not the left hand.
Okay. No left hand.
If you enjoyed this video, remember to give it a thumbs up, give it a share, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe for more of my solo travel adventures as I take you inside and knock off my bucket lists of travel. Leave your comment down below and let me know what you think of my video. Above all, may the grr be with you.